I cannot give you ticket. Even I'm a Chief Justice Supreme Court of Canada. Police gonna give you ticket, right? So police is a decision maker. No, it's an investigator. So they have their own jurisdiction. So judge gonna decide based on 4 steps. Based on 4 steps. Who has a jurisdictional issue? Who has a power to entertain your case? Okay, based on 4 steps. First step is write it down. Privative clause with right of appeal. Privative clause with right of appeal. One leading case is Dunsmuir.
Privative clause.
Okay, privative clause with right of appeal. Judge gonna make a decision based on the privative clause with right of appeal. Okay, he gonna make a decision privative clause with right of appeal. More deference mean more deference mean okay. There are 2 standards. One is reasonable, one is correctness. Have you heard the name of standard? There are 2 standards: reasonable, correctness.
This is on top of these.
No, just hold on. Okay, just relax. Yeah, just relax. See, relax. Just relax.
Please pause.
No. Just relax. Whenever I teach my bar classes, it's long class. Of course, it's a 4-hour class. Okay, just relax. We have done procedure. We have done bias. We have done substantive. Oh no, we're gonna start substantive. Substantive. First step is substantive. Is jurisdictional issue. Who has a jurisdiction? Whether tribunal have a jurisdiction, admin body, or court. Okay. If admin body have a court, write it down. If admin body have a jurisdiction, mean reasonable standard. Reasonable standard. Write it down. Reasonable standard. If tribunal have, admin body have jurisdiction, then reasonable standard. Then is equal to more deference. We're gonna write in an exam. Reasonable standard, more deference. Yes. If admin body, if court have a jurisdiction, is equal to correctness standard. Correctness. No deference is equal to no deference or low deference. No or low deference. No or low. LOW. Deference. Def. DEF. Deference. RENC. Deference. Main crux is important. Right? What I said. First step is jurisdictional issue. Who has a jurisdiction? Whether
Admin body
or court. Okay. If admin body have a jurisdiction, it means more deference, reasonable standard. If court have a jurisdiction, low deference or no deference. Low or no deference, correctness standard. Correctness standard. How judge gonna make a decision? More deference, reasonable standard or correctness standard? How? Based on 4 steps. One is privative clause with right of appeal. Privative clause with right of appeal. Second is expertise. Privative clause with right of appeal. Privative. 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 Right. RIGH. Right. Right of appeal. Second is expertise. Hi, little child. How are you? Okay. So number 2 is expertise. See, ladies always sacrifice. She is listening, take care of the child. Man is always man. See?
That's why plus the time difference is
Yeah. So, okay. So, okay. Number two, expertise of the tribunal. Okay, expertise of the tribunal. Number three is purpose of the statute as a whole. Purpose of the statute as a whole. Purpose. P-U-R-P-O-S-C. Purpose of the statute. Statute. T-U-T. Statute. Purpose of the statute.
As a whole.
Yeah. As a whole. W-H-O-L-E. Okay. Number three. Number four step is nature of question. Nature of question. Nature of question. Number four, nature of question. Nature of question has three parts. One is question of law, question of fact.
Second is question of law.
First is question of law. Second is question of fact. Third is question of mixed law and fact. Okay, now what gonna? Okay, so there are two standards. One is reasonable, one is correctness standard. Ma'am, you are here. You are not happy with the decision of the admin body based on substantive ground. So, okay, I have to make a decision based on the exam question. Okay, based on the exam question. Okay, let me read. Privative clause with right of appeal. Where is the NCA exam question? First question is an NCA exam question. Where is the first exam? No, we do not have. Do we have?
I have.
Is Martha Muffin. Question is Martha Muffin. NCA question. First question. NCA sample question. Martha Muffin, right? In Martha Muffin, once we based on this question, we're gonna make a decision. Okay, privative clause with right of appeal. Strong privative clause. Okay, you will confuse. Okay. Okay, there are two standards. One is reasonable, one is correctness. Based on the privative clause with the right of appeal, I have to make a decision. Jump into the judge room. You know, privative clause is very strong. More deference, standard will be reasonable. More deference, reasonable. Okay, based on number two. Okay, based on expertise of the tribunal. Okay, tribunals are more expert from the given scenario. Okay, more deference, reasonable standards. Okay, then purpose of the statute as a whole. Purpose of the statute as a whole from the given scenario may be low deference or no deference, then correctness standard. It means court have a jurisdiction. Okay, last in nature of question. Question of law, question of fact, question of mixed law and fact. All four factors take into account, write into the examination sheet. See, I have application is here. So everything I have written here. See, expertise of the tribunal. Okay. Then, okay, and question of fact, question of law, everything is here. So based on, then at the end, standard would be reasonable or correctness. Make it very clear, 99.9%. 99.9% standard would be reasonable in the exam. Standard would be reasonable in the exam. Not correctness. Okay? Yeah. Right? Based on four steps. In my regular class, I'm going to explain. I know you people are tired. Even I can explain, I can solve the exam question right here, but I know you people are tired. So in my regular class, I'm going to solve. Okay. Okay, last topic. Procedure is done. Bias is done. Now substantive, first part is done. Standards are reasonable or correctness. 99.9% standard would be reasonable. Okay, then last one topic. Whether the decision. Okay, then whether last topic is more, don't worry about it. So basically last topic is don't worry about it. So you're gonna write instead of understanding. Okay, so all steps. Okay, what all step? Okay, you know, ma'am, you are here for judicial review based on the substantive ground. Standards are reasonable. It means they have a jurisdiction. because I made a decision based on privative clause with right of appeal. Number two, expertise of the tribunal. They are more expert than the court. Number three, purpose of the statute as a whole. Number four, nature of question. Based on four steps, I made a decision. More deference standard would be reasonable. The next issue before the court is, or being a student. Next issue before the court is, which is a last topic.